Think about losing your investment. So whatever money you need to put in to start your business, and you probably worked years for that. It might be your 401k, it might be savings, it might be family pitching in. Think about what happens if that money gets lost. Does that change lives? Is it a life-changing amount of money? Remember, 80% of businesses fail and they lose 100% of the money, if not more. Sometimes people close down and they're in debt. They got credit card debt. They did all kinds of things they weren't supposed to do. They didn't pay their vendors. The vendors are going to come after them and sue them. You have to really, really consider what happens. What are the consequences if it goes under? Cash flow is your bloodline. It's your biggest risk. You need to know and understand why cash flow is so important and how dangerous cash flow is. So if you got something else going on, and you got the TV on, and you got the kids, put everything away and listen to this one. If you think about it, if 80% of the people are not going through the 5 to 12 contacts, 80% chance of failure. Does that sound familiar? 8 out of 10 businesses don't make it. There's a theme here, persistent, perseverance, but you can't become a pain. So when you get a customer, they're unbelievably valuable. Remember how hard it was to get them? Let's reward our customers. Think about it, you want everything for long term. You don't just want this order, you want the next 10 orders. The brand differentiates itself. It's very important to people in their buying decision. Why do you go to the supermarket and you buy the same loaf of bread you've been buying forever? Because you're used to the brand. You trust the brand. It has unique value to you. If people don't know who you are and you haven't built your brand, they don't feel comfortable in buying from you. When you're competing, what's the first thing you look for is price. Price. Everybody wants price, right? The first thing you do, no matter what you're looking for, is what's the price. Let's look at some strategy for pricing. You need to learn how to read a cash flow statement, what a cash flow statement is, and how it can affect you every single month.
Once you download and open your cash flow model, you will see 2 tabs. Let's look at the Instructions tab first.
Your business plan must be fluid. You got to be a jet ski. Your market will take you. Don't be a battleship, be a jet ski. You cannot dictate to the market what they want. The market dictates to you. You are the one that has to change, and not your customer. We all have different personalities, and we're going to give you a personality test. There's always here of type A, type B, and then type E entrepreneur. The great entrepreneurs recognize their weaknesses by taking an evaluation like we're going to give you, and they work on them to strengthen them, to not make them weaknesses. Those are the successful people. Those are the 2 out of 10 that succeed. We're here to provide experience. We're not here to tell you what to do. We're not here to tell you how great it is. We're not here to tell you how to make golf reservations. We're here to tell you exactly what it takes to be a successful entrepreneur. There's a reason, there's a statistic, 8 out of 10 businesses fail, but when an entrepreneur starts his second business or her second business, they have a 50% better chance of success. Why is that? It's painfully simple. They have experience, and this is what boot camp is going to do for you. We're going to give you the experience, so hopefully when you start your business or as you grow your business, it's almost like the second business. We have a 50% better chance of success. We want to give you that experience so you can make better decisions. We want to be part of your journey. We want to be part of your team, and we all hope that you become incredibly successful. And successful is building a great company. That's what success is. That's how you measure success. How much money you make or how much you build a great company. Making money is a byproduct of doing business the right way. We feel if you're successful, we're successful, and we want to be a very small part of that. And we hope as you grow as an entrepreneur, as you grow your business, you will say that Entrepreneur.org was the first step I took, and it was a great step, and it really helped me. We look forward to working with you.